Soyez le bienvenu! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. And welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Formation civique. Because formation civique est obligatoire. Obligatory na to. And what is one of our objectives is connaître le fonctionnement de la société française. Okay, know how French society functions here in France. Okay, because we live in France. Question, on va lire la question. Quelle est la population approximative de la France en 2025? Quelle est la population approximative de la France en 2025? A. 68 millions, 68 millions. B. 75 millions, 75 millions. C. 80 millions, 80 millions. Ou D. 60 millions. Coup des Français, hein? Okay, what is your answer, please? Et la bonne réponse est A. 68 millions. 68 million po tayo last year. Only the French, not including the immigrants or the strangers here in France. Only the French people, okay? Cette réponse est correcte car elle correspond à la définition ou à la règle attendue. La population de la France est d'environ 68 millions d'habitants. Le chiffre peut être légèrement varié selon les estimations. Les autres propositions sont incorrectes parce qu'elles ne correspondent pas précisément à la question posée. This answer is correct. Okay, we have 68 millions for the France. That was 2025. But in 2026, we have already 69.1 million. Okay, 69.1 million na po tayo. So there's additional of 0.25%. Okay, 0.25%. So 69.1. Only the French. Okay. And we can check the population in France or statistics is called INSEE, yung I-N-S-E, yung 12, INSEE, okay? To know the population of France yearly, okay? And now we have 69.1 million citizens, habitants en France. En France, the totality in France, not only in Paris, okay? En France, the totality, okay? So, the France is bigger and the population is also getting bigger, but still there's the space. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Now it's 68 million and today is 69.1 millions habitants en France. Okay? So please don't forget that 68 million and also please don't forget to like, subscribe at mag-comment po for more videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir tout le monde. Ciao ciao po.